So, like you said, at least the garage will warm up too. Yeah, that's what you need, is
Yeah.
abrupt changes in the.
What are you doing?